In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts to a Smartsheet dashboard. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into a meaningful chart that appears right on your dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have a dashboard already created. In this example, we're starting from an untitled dashboard, but the process is the same for any dashboard you have. Open your dashboard so you can see the empty canvas or any existing widgets that are already there. Once your dashboard is open, look for the option that prompts you to create a chart. On a new or mostly empty dashboard, you'll typically see a message or button that says something like, "Create a meaningful chart from a sheet or report." This is Smartsheet's way of guiding you to connect your chart directly to existing data so it updates automatically. Click on that option. When you do, Smartsheet will start the chart creation process and ask you to choose a data source. This source can be any sheet or report that contains the information you want to visualize, such as project timelines, task status, budgets, or performance metrics. Choosing a good, clean data source is important because the quality and structure of your data will directly affect how clear and useful your chart becomes. As you proceed, Smartsheet will guide you through selecting the specific columns and rows you want to show in the chart. Take a moment to think about what story you want the chart to tell. For example, you might want to show progress over time, a breakdown by category, or a comparison between teams. Keeping that purpose in mind will help you decide which fields to include. After your data is selected, you can usually choose the type of chart, such as a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart. Each chart type works best for a different kind of comparison, so pick the one that makes your message the easiest to understand at a glance. Once everything looks right in the preview, save your changes. Your chart will now appear directly on the dashboard. From there, you can resize it, drag it into position, and align it with your other widgets so the dashboard layout feels clean and professional. That's all you need to get started adding charts to a Smartsheet dashboard, turning raw data into clear visual insights your team can use.